welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. We're here with Olivia. Hi, Olivia.
Hi.
It's good to have you back.
No.
Hey everybody, welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. It's good to have Olivia back.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good.
What are we drawing today, Olivia?
We're drawing a llama with heart sunglasses.
A llama with heart sunglasses. Sounds pretty cool. What do you have hanging up in your room? Like, what's your favorite animal?
A llama.
A llama?
Yes.
Why a llama?
They just look goofy.
They're goofy. Okay, everyone get ready, get your markers ready, and let's draw a llama with heart sunglasses. So this silly llama is going to be kind of tilted on its side right here. And we're going to do the mouth, so it's going to be kind of this oval shape. So
Okay.
I'll start here. I'll start by doing an oval, kind of on its side, like an egg. All right, good job. So in the mouth, so this is going to be kind of a sideways mouth. The llama has kind of this V nose. And we'll do a line down. And we'll kind of do his little cheeks right here. Up. And another one that goes up. And we'll do a little U as a smiley face. And I like to add these little fun marks around my mouths to make them have more expression. All right, so now we're gonna do these big heart glasses. This might be a little challenging, but let's start with doing the glasses. This part goes over the nose. Do another one over the top. Good. Now I'm going to connect this with a big heart down by the mouth. So watch me and then you do it. Here we go. 1, 2, come all the way down. Good. Good job. And then we'll connect that right into that mouth area. And let's connect this down into that mouth area. And we'll make it a little thicker. We'll kind of outline it. And we'll color that in a minute. Just follow that heart. Good. Looks good. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing over here. I'm gonna do a big 1, 2, all the way down. Okay, let's see if we can do it. 1, 2, all the way down. And it doesn't have to be perfect. This is just for fun. It's a silly llama wearing some fun glasses. We'll connect that into the cheek. Good. Bring this down into that cheek. All right, so we'll do the same thing. We'll just draw the heart on the inside of those glasses. And we'll color that in a minute. Looking good, Olivia. All right. Okay, so let's draw, should we draw the eyes over here? Okay, I'm gonna do a kind of a big circle over here. Just at least a half circle.
So, like a C.
Kind of like a C, good job. Let's do another one over here. A big C.
Backwards.
Backwards C. I did a C because I'm just gonna do this little mark. It kind of follows the shape of the nose, kind of gives a little expression. Good. Now, these are going to be, llamas kind of have these sleepy eyes, so we'll just do a little rainbow shape in those eyes. And then the fun part. Should we do our llama with like cross-eyed, or should we do it looking to the side? What do you think, Olivia?
Cross-eyed.
Cross-eyed? Okay, let's do it. Good job. Now, what do all eyes have that we like to do? the highlight?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's do another circle inside there. That's looking cute. And we'll color this area black. And this, like we always say, brings the eyes to life. Our llama's looking sleepy and silly and goofy, and we like that, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Another thing that llamas have are big, huge ears, right?
Yep.
So we're gonna kind of do some hair up here. Start at the eye and do some kind of zigzags, some jagged marks. I'm gonna do some jagged marks down here to make the hair 1, 2, 3. See that? So 1, 2, 3, and just bring it down. Big hairy face. We'll do another one over here. 1, 2, 3, bring it down. Good job. And this hair will kind of go off the page. Kind of like our llama's peeking out from the side, huh? He's leaning his head in and looking at us. Nice job, looks great. Okay, now we're gonna go up here and do these ears. So follow me, I'm gonna start kind of just above the side of his eye right here. We're gonna go up. These don't have to be perfect because llama's ears are funny.
Yeah.
Down.
Looks kind of like a banana.
Yeah, good. It's a banana shape. And then we'll just kind of connect these squiggly marks to the top of the glasses. Good job. Now we'll do another one. Kind of another banana shape over here. Ready? Go up. And down. That looks cute. 1, 2, 3. Connect it to the glasses. And we have this gap right here, so these are going to be some funny hairs poking up. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then I'm just going to draw the inside of the ear that connects over there. Same over here, inside of the ear that connects. Now, that's pretty much our outline to the llama. Looking pretty silly, huh?
Yep.
My llamas I like to do with big eyelashes. You don't have to, but when I see a llama at the zoo or in the farm, they always have these cute big eyelashes. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's for me. Good job. You ready to color this thing?
Yes.
Okay, everyone hit fast forward or just stay and watch, and here we go. Fast forward.